our entire focus is that this single family dwelling, which is a house that a common man builds, everything has to be made very, very easy for it. It should be made further easier than the Public Service Guarantee Act. The Public Service Guarantee Act gives, I think, 45 days. The Chief Town Planner has even suggested means by which in 7 days the inspection and things are getting completed. There are innovative and revolutionary ideas like DCR, Auto DCR, which is like, you get online permissions and online submission of application of projects. So I think various issues on trying to make this machinery being well oiled to implement the Chief Minister's promise of giving a regional plan by the 31st of December 2017. We are not in a position to say that the department is ready for it. We are going to meet once again. Chief Minister and myself will have a presentation here on the 19th of this month, of the coming month. Once again to finalize the course ahead, the way forward, whether we can give a regional plan wanted by the people of Goa by the 31st of December, whether we are prepared for it. We are meeting once again to ascertain this. I am not making a tall claim today to say that we will do it. Because if this does not happen because of something in the department, I am going to be at the receiving end and I don't want to be at the receiving end. So let's be very clear about this.